Dear students, in previous class we have discussed until 47 sums. 48th question now. 48th question in your material. The print is not in proper way. Write the question also. If for a positive integer, n, the quadratic equation x into x plus 1 plus x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus 1 x plus n minus 1 into x plus n is equal to 10n, not 0, is equal to 10n has two consecutive integers, two consecutive integral solutions, two consecutive integral solutions, then n is equal to first option 9, second option 10, third option 11 and fourth option 12. Options are printed in correct way in your material, but key not given in your material from 48 onwards. Okay, this is somewhat lengthy question. Given I am writing, given quadratic equation multiplying like this x square plus x plus 0 into 1 I am writing. Why I am writing you will be able to understand hereafter. Plus next step x square plus 3x plus 1 into 2 plus x square plus 5x plus 2 into 3 plus 1 plus x square plus 2n minus 1 plus 2n minus 1 into x plus n minus 1 into n is equal to 10n. Now that implies here 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, at last n minus 1 into n is there. Here you can understand totally n terms are there until here, n terms. So n equations, n x square terms are there. N x square terms plus, just I am making you to remember a formula. Sum of odd numbers. Sum of odd numbers. Plenty of times I said to you that n square. If you are having any doubt, I am making you to remember that 1, simply 1 square. 1 plus 3, 2 times 4, 2 square. 1 plus 3 plus 5, 3 times. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 becomes 9, so 3 square. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, like that 16. So 2n minus 1 indicates here odd numbers notation. So total odd numbers here, I want to discuss with this x, 1x, 3x, 5x until so on 2n minus 1x. Total notation is n square here. So n square x you write. And next one you can write here 0 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus so on n minus 1 into n. You can understand this one as sigma. Sigma means summation of n minus 1 into n is equal to 10n. That implies mx square plus n square x plus sigma n square minus sigma n. Sigma n square minus sigma n minus 10 is equal to 0. That implies nx square plus n square x plus sigma n square formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus sigma n formula n into n plus 1 whole by 2 minus 10n is equal to 0. That implies nx square plus n square x plus in the two terms you can take common n into n plus 1 by 2 n into n plus 1 by 2, so it becomes 2n plus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10n is equal to 0. That implies nx square plus n square x plus n into n plus 1 by 2 n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 3 whole by 3 minus 10n is equal to 0. That implies nx square plus n square x plus here you can write n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2 taken common here 2n minus 2 taken common, then you can write n minus 1 by 3 minus 10n is equal to 0. 2 will be getting cancelled. Here you can understand divide by n both sides and taking LCM 3, that implies you can write 3x square plus 3nx plus n square minus 1 minus 30 equal to 0. That implies 3x square plus 3nx plus n square minus 31 equal to 0. Condition. Now we prepared a quadratic equation by given conditions. Now condition is roots are consecutive integers. Roots are consecutive integers. Whenever roots are consecutive integers, we can understand alpha comma alpha plus 1 are roots, alpha beta comma beta plus 1 are roots, like that. So that meaning is 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 1 comma 2, 5 comma 6, like that. We can understand here the difference between two roots is 1. That is considered as a modulus alpha minus beta is 1. Now that implies we can understand here modulus of alpha minus beta is equal to 1. So modulus of alpha minus beta is root of b square minus 4ac by mod a is equal to 1. That implies in this quadratic equation 9n square minus 12 into n square minus 31 over root whole by modulus of b is equal to 1. So that implies 9n square minus 12n square becomes minus 3n square. Minus of minus plus 12 into 31. 12 ones are 12, 1, 12 threes are 36, 1, 37. 372 is equal to 9 ampere. Because by squaring all both sides we can take. So here 372 minus 9. 372 minus 9 is equal to 3n square. So 372 minus 9 becomes 363. 363 is equal to 3n square. So n square is equal to 121. The positive integer n is equal to 11. It is correct option. So observe this question. This type of questions will be asked in mains and advanced. These are 100% absolutely new questions wherever we did not face in previous manner. So you can try to understand the concept and the sum. So much time is needed, even though you should make it fast. So try to understand how to do the sums and which types of questions we are facing in mains exams. Now 48th question completed. Now 49th question. If lambda 1, lambda 2 are the values of, if lambda 1, lambda 2 are the two values of alpha, such that the roots of alpha and beta of the quadratic equation, first of all, we should verify in your material. Lambda 1, lambda 2, yeah, question is there, question is correct only, but a key not given. If lambda 1, lambda 2 are the two values of alpha, such that the roots of alpha and beta of the quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation, we can write lambda into x square minus x plus x plus 5 plus x plus 5 equal to 0. Satisfy alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 4 by 5 equal to 0. That too not in main student, this is not questions. VR questions are in tough way. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 4 by 5 equal to 0. That implies you can write here alpha square plus beta square plus, let us take the LCM, 5 alpha beta. LCM is 5 alpha beta. So you can write 5 into alpha square plus beta square plus 4 alpha beta is equal to 0. So 5 into, you can understand alpha square plus beta square as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Minus 2 alpha beta plus 4 alpha beta equal to 0. So 5 into alpha plus beta whole square, 5 into alpha plus beta whole square minus 5 is 10 plus 4, minus 10 plus 4 becomes minus 6 alpha beta. Put first equation. Now QA I am writing, multiply with lambda, it becomes lambda x square minus lambda x plus 5 is equal to 0. So lambda x square minus x taken common, it becomes lambda minus 1 plus 5 equal to 0. Depends upon this quadratic equation, alpha, beta are roots of this one. That implies alpha plus beta is equal to lambda minus 1 by lambda, and alpha beta product of roots is equal to 5 by lambda. Now you can write this one in first equation. From 1 we can say that 5 into alpha plus beta whole square. So 5 into lambda minus 1 by lambda whole square minus 6 into 5 by lambda. Of course, this is equal to 0 is there. Is equal to 0. So divide with 5, it becomes lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 1 whole by lambda square minus 6 by lambda equal to 0. So lambda square minus, you can write minus 8 lambda minus 1 equal to 0 by taking lambda square as LCM. Now the QE of lambda we got. QE of lambda using alpha beta roots, using the condition we got here. Lambda square minus 8 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Now see the question. Lambda, now you should calculate lambda 1 by lambda 2 whole square plus lambda 2 by lambda 1 whole square to find out lambda 1 by lambda 2 whole square plus lambda 2 by lambda 1 whole square. That implies lambda 1 cube plus lambda 2 cube. Lambda 1 cube plus lambda lambda 2 cube whole by lambda 1 lambda 2 whole square. So a plus b whole cube formula, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 whole cube minus 3 lambda 1 lambda 2 into lambda 1 plus lambda 2 whole by lambda 1 lambda 2 whole square. That is equal to here, according to here sum of roots. Here lambda 1 plus lambda 2, the sum of roots is equal to 8, and lambda 1 into lambda 2, the product of roots equal to minus 1. So 8 cube minus 3 into minus 1 into 8. Lambda, this is minus 8. Minus by 8, correct. Lambda 1, lambda 2. 3 into minus 3 into minus 1 plus 8 by lambda 1 lambda 2 whole square. So this is minus 1 whole square. Should carry current lambda 1 by lambda 2 whole square plus lambda 2 by lambda 1 whole square, lambda 1 cube plus lambda 2 whole cube, a plus b, a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Correct. Minus 3ab into a plus b, because it is minus 3a square b minus 3ab square. Correct. Now a plus b means here lambda 1 plus lambda 2, sum of roots 8 and the product of roots minus 2. So became plus here. 8 cube means 512 plus 24 by 1. So 536 option is there, 49. Second option here. Here 49 first option given. So 488 is given. 49. 8 cube lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 1. Mistake here. From 1 I am writing 5 into lambda minus here minus 6 alpha beta is okay. Alpha beta is by lambda. Somewhere mistake is there. Lambda x square plus x into 1 minus lambda plus 5. Okay, plus 5. From 1 here minus 10 plus 4 lambda x square plus x into 1 minus lambda, equation given as plus x into 1 minus lambda plus 5, until here you are right. 5 alpha square plus 5 beta plus 4 alpha beta. 5 alpha square plus 5 beta square plus 4 alpha beta. It is okay. Is equal to 0. 5 into alpha plus beta. A square plus b square plus a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 10 plus 4 alpha, correct. Minus 6 alpha beta. A plus b whole square minus 2 into a, exactly right. Minus 6 alpha beta we got. Instead of alpha beta, here we can write c by a 5 by lambda, exactly right. Here lambda minus 1, correct. By lambda, 5 by lambda, right. Lambda square minus divided with 5 minus 6 lambda. Now lambda square minus 8 lambda minus 1, we are right. So this is 536. If there is any mistake to find, you verify students. Later you can say to me. Now 49 question completed. Now let us discuss about the 50th question. Question number 50. The sum of axis A. Somewhat mistake is there in this sum also. Maybe also mistake is there. Fiftieth question. If lambda, it is okay. This sum of axis A of points where the curve sum of axis A. Sum of axis A of points. Sum of axis A of points where the curve y is equal to kx square plus 5k plus 3 into x plus 6k plus 5. Y is equal to touch x-axis. Touch x-axis. Sum of axis he is asking. That means sum of x coordinates x1, x2, x3, x4 like that, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. If you are getting 2 values, sum of x1 and x2. If you are getting 4 values, sum of x1, x2, x3, x4. Now, let us discuss about the curve touching x-axis concept. Whenever the curve touching x-axis, then y is equal to 0. Since curve touching x-axis, that implies y is equal to 0. So kx square plus 5k plus 3 into x plus 6k plus 5 is equal to 0. That implies it is touching x-axis. Kx square plus 5. Now we should calculate the roots are there. You can verify kx square plus 5 kx plus 3. It is in the quadratic equation model only. He is discussing the sum of axes of the points where the curve touches x-axis. So x-axis, if the curve is touching x-axis, it is equal to 0, and roots are, let us write roots are equal. Then only curve touches x-axis. Roots are equal. That is delta is equal to 0. We can take b square minus 4ac 5k plus 3 whole square minus 4k into 6k plus 5 equal to 0. Now 25k square plus 30k plus 9 minus 24k square minus 20k is equal to 0. 25k square minus 24k square is k square plus 10k plus 9 equal to 0. Depends upon this value. This equation we can get k is equal to minus 1 comma k is equal to minus 9. If k is equal to minus 9, what becomes? K is equal to minus 1 becomes, we can verify the x from 1 I am writing. From 1, if k is equal to minus 1, that implies substitute here. Minus x square 5 into minus 1 minus 5 plus 3, so minus 2x minus 6 plus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. So x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Keep aside. Now this is second equation. Here sum of roots. Here sum of roots x1 plus x2 I am writing. Sum of roots is equal to minus 2. And if k is equal to minus 9, substitute there. That implies the quadratic equation. We can write minus 9x square plus 5 into minus 9 minus 45 plus 3 becomes minus 42x minus 45 plus 6 into minus 9 minus 54 plus 5 minus 49 equal to 0. So 9x square divided with minus 3, it becomes 3x square plus 14x plus no, it is not possible. So simply leave it. Divide with 9. 9x square plus 42x plus 49 equal to 0. Now here sum of roots. Let here x3 comma x4. Sum of roots of this equation x3 plus x4 is equal to minus 42 by 9, so minus 14 by 3. Now sum of roots. Total sum of abscess. Sum of abscess. Sum of abscess. Sum of abscess is equal to minus 2 minus 14 by 3. So minus 20 by 3. Minus 20 by 3 is correct answer. I think he did not given properly. He given the answer is minus 10 by 3 in old material also. But in your hint, if you observe the hint, it is wrong. Now I am going to explain about the hint in this question. The question number 50. He given minus 1 minus 7 by 3. It is not possible, students. It is mistake. Minus 10 by 3, simply he created the hint. In old material also given like that only. Then you can understand that this is correct. If he is asking sum of product of abscissa, the answer is correct. Because product of roots here minus 1. 1 here. And 1 plus of this one, product of abscissa here 49 by 9. 49 by 9, that's all. It is wrong. Leave it. It is wrong. Now let us going to discuss about 51. This 51 question JEE mains 2015 and JEE mains 2013 also given the question. 51 question. If let alpha comma beta are the roots of x square minus 6x minus 2. Given quadratic equation x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0 in those days, so many students and so many staff got confused about this sum, because whatever the method now I am going to discuss with you, that method only possible. Apart from that method, nothing is possible. Defining the roots and sum of roots concept, you cannot get the question. So this is the different question which given in mains 2015. Given to you. So alpha comma beta are roots. That implies alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 2 equal to 2. Alpha square minus 2 is equal to 6 alpha. This is 1. This is 2. Similarly, in the same way, you can write beta square minus 2 is equal to 6 beta. That's all. That is the hint. Now, he given am is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n. N greater than or equal to 1. Of course, he given as n greater than or equal to 1 only. Then, to find out, we should calculate the value. To find out A10 minus 2A8. A10 minus 2A8 whole by 2A9. A10 minus 2A8 whole by 2A9. That implies that is equal to A10 means alpha power 10. Substitute here. A10 means alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. Regarding this one, an is equal to alpha power beta power concept. Put a bracket here, minus 2 into alpha power 8 minus beta power 8 whole by 2 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. That implies we can write alpha power 10 minus beta power 10 minus 2 into alpha power 8 plus 2 into beta power 8 whole by 2 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. That is equal to alpha power 8 taken common, it becomes alpha square minus 2, and minus beta power 8 taken common, it becomes beta square minus 2 whole by 2 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. You can observe that we are not at all using sum of roots, product of roots concept. Simply roots, we are playing the game with the roots and the given condition. Now you can understand from 1 and 2, from 1 comma 2, alpha square minus this is from 2 comma 3. From 2 comma 3 we can write here alpha power 8 into alpha square minus 2 can be written as 6 alpha minus beta power 8 into this is 6 beta whole by 2 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. 6 taken common, it becomes alpha power 9 minus beta power 9 by 2 into alpha power 9 minus beta power 9. This is just a created question. That is equal to answer 3. So logical thinking question and important just to create a question. There also answer third option in your material. Of course, you did not give the option. Okay, students, we have successfully completed quadratic expressions module 3. Whether the module 4 is in which way, I think tomorrow I'll discuss whether I should give homework to you or whether I should handle the class or I should give homework. Tomorrow I'll decide. If it is possible, you can do. Then you can start another chapter in 2A only, theory of equations. Otherwise, I will say the level 4. Okay, students, let us continue next class.